In this video, you are going to know top 3 best platform that you can use to build your e-commerce website. Hi, my name is Nasim and you are welcome to this video. I'm a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need this kind of help, feel free to contact me. Details on the video description. So let's back to this topic. Number 1, Shopify. Shopify is a user-friendly platform that requires little technical expertise. It offers a range of customizable templates, a variety of apps to extend functionality, and integrate payment option. It also provides hosting and security features. Number 2, WordPress Ecommerce. Ecommerce is a WordPress plugin that allows you to turn your WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. It's highly customizable and offers a wide range of themes and plugins. Since it's built on top of WordPress, you have access to powerful content management system. And if you use WordPress, you need to buy domain and hosting separately. And there is no monthly subscription. You just need to pay yearly for domain and hosting. That's it. Number 3, Wix. Wix is a user-friendly website builder that requires little no-code skills. It provides a wide range of templates, making it easy to create visually appealing website. Wix also offers an app market for additional functionality, integrate hosting and free plan with Wix branding domain. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful to you, then don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then hit the subscribe button. This is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.